Hey everybody, it's Broker Lee. Today I'm at 110 Bird Road in Blackstone. It's a modern 3-bedroom, 2-bath townhome, and it's got a lot to offer. And today I'm showing you my favorite thing. Come on. This amazing primary suite. It has an awesome walk-in closet with pocket door, an amazing full bathroom with step-in shower, vaulted ceilings, recessed lighting, ceiling fans, 2 big windows providing a great view of the backyard. You get all this luxury in an efficient townhome in Blackstone. This primary suite is my favorite thing.